Hello, Christine here. I'm going to quickly show you how to use this free template. So you're going to follow the link that I posted, and then you're going to get to a page that says a template was created by Christine. Start designing now. So you're going to scroll all the way down to the bottom and click the button that says use template for new design. Canva is going to open and the template is ready for you to input all of your designs into it. First thing you're going to do is go to uploads and you're going to upload your photos by using the upload files, and then you just flip through your computer and press open. To save time, I already have my designs that I'm going to use, or my photos that I'm going to use, so I simply take them from the uploads and drag them into each space. So they're going to go sideways when you first upload them. We will fix that in just a minute. So we have the second and the third. Okay. Now that that is done, you're just going to click on the first design, double click quickly, and it's going to allow you to rotate and resize the design. So I've rotated it, and then I'm just going to drag the nodes in the corners. To make sure it fits the space well. There we go, that looks a little better. And then you can slide it over so the part of the image that you want shown is shown. When you're done, click the done button. And you're going to repeat that for each of the photos, just rotating them around and resizing them as needed. And go running to first base and click done. Double click, rotate, and resize. Make sure we get his face in there, and then click done. And do that with the final image as well. Make sure we can see his whole jersey. And then of course we click done. So the next thing you're going to do once you have all of those pictures loaded, you're going to put the team name. So I'm going to put Team Neon Pink. So if you want to change either the color of the text or the outline, you're going to double click it and highlight it. And then you can change the text color from here to whatever you want. And then you click effects and you can change the outline. I have outline selected in the template. So you're just going to change that. Click off of it. Team Neon Pink, we can still see that. Same with the year. Spring 2025. And then if you want to change it, effects, let's do hot pink. So I'm going to add a new color and use the little eyedropper. I'm going to get the pink from the jerseys. Oh, I picked a rose color accidentally, so we can just drag the circle over and make that pink. I don't know how neon pink that is, but that's okay. All right, the last thing you're going to want to do is click position and then click layers. And you're going to see, if you go down to here, I have this like splattery scratch texture in there. So if you don't like it, you can simply delete it and the texture is gone. And if you want to change the color of it, the same as we've done, you're just going to click on the layer and you can change that to anything you want. I'm going to change it to white. And then if you go back up to this toolbar and the transparency, I have it set at 60%, but you can make it brighter or you can make it barely visible. So I'm going to leave it bright here. And then finally, if you go back to position and back to layers, this is the background layer, and you can change the background color to whatever you want quite quickly. And so we're just going to leave it as black. There you go, just a couple minutes and you have a perfectly good design ready to use on a t-shirt, cup, print it out, use it on social media. I think it would be fun if you have a graduating senior. You could use a freshman photo, a sophomore photo, a junior photo, and a senior photo, and then put like the school name or the player name at the bottom. But yeah, I hope you get creative with it and I hope you enjoy it, and I will have another tutorial up soon.